My video will help you to get rid of the malicious pop-ups related to the site browsingspeedsearch.com. This site, browsingspeedsearch.com, is a malicious site. It actually tries to make you download and install some potentially unwanted software in the form of unwanted browser extensions. If you see these pop-ups by browsingspeedsearch.com, do not trust these pop-ups, and if any junk extensions were installed, access the menu, go to Extensions, Manage Extensions, and then remove anything that is not needed. I recommend that you additionally restart your computer with Combo Cleaner, which you may get on the website combocleaner.com. Use the green download button, install the software, and once it gets successfully installed, start carefully investigating your computer with its help to detect and remove other threats from your device. So after you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner, the software will be initially in the trial mode, and only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. The full mode includes full system scan and custom scan, but as I said, in the trial version only quick scan option is available. So you need to click on the start scan button, and most likely the application will first of all update its anti-malware database. And by the way, this is a very essential step, so do not skip it. Do not cancel the update procedure, and then the scanning will begin. It may take some time, of course. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats that were revealed by Combo Cleaner during the scan. Some threats may be related to the browser-related issues. Some other threats may be associated with more serious threats such as ransomware, adware, or other type of viruses on the web. Of course, you can remove certain threats manually, but I recommend you to consider upgrading to premium license. This is the best way to keep all your files protected and to keep your entire computer free of any other possibly hidden threats.